Have you ever imagined transforming your body's strength, mobility, and posture, all without lifting a single weight or running a single mile? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick with me, because over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how it's not only possible, but surprisingly simple. And if you're into learning practical ways to improve your body and well-being, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos like this one. All right, let's jump right in. We'll start with one of the most natural movements for the human body, the deep resting squat. Believe it or not, we were designed to sit comfortably in this position for extended periods. But years of sitting in chairs and living a sedentary lifestyle have robbed us of this ability. Thankfully, with a little practice, you can get it back. When you squat down and hold the position, your spine decompresses, your hips loosen up, and your ankles become more mobile. It's like giving your lower body a tune-up. If getting all the way down seems intimidating at first, don't worry. Grab onto something sturdy. A kitchen counter works great, and lower yourself as far as is comfortable. Hold that position and gradually work toward the full squat over time. The benefits are worth it. Better posture, less back pain, and more freedom in your everyday movements. Next up, we're going to wake up the entire backside of your body with a powerful movement called the Superman hold. In today's world, most of us spend way too much time hunched forward, at desks, in cars, or on our phones. This leads to poor posture and back discomfort. The Superman hold helps reverse this damage. By engaging the muscles along your spine, glutes, and shoulders, this simple hold helps you stand taller and move more confidently. If you're new to it, start by lifting just your chest off the floor while keeping your legs relaxed. As you gain strength, lift both your arms and legs together, holding the position for a few seconds. Another great variation is to alternate lifting opposite arm and leg, which also builds coordination. Now let's strengthen one of the most important areas of your body, your core. The hollow body hold is a fantastic way to develop deep core strength. Unlike crunches, which mainly target surface muscles, this exercise activates the entire core, helping your abs and back work together. Gymnasts rely on this movement to build rock-solid stability, and it can do the same for you. The hollow body hold teaches your core to resist movement, which protects your spine and improves overall strength. You'll notice the benefits in everyday life, whether it's carrying groceries or maintaining better posture throughout the day. To make the hold more challenging, try gently rocking back and forth while maintaining tension throughout your core. Up next is an underrated but highly effective exercise, the Payoff press hold. Whenever you twist or reach for something, like turning to grab a bag in the car, your core works hard to resist excessive rotation and protect your spine. This hold trains your body to handle those forces better. Using a resistance band anchored to one side, press the band straight out in front of you and hold it there. You'll feel your core working overtime to stay stable. Start with a small amount of resistance and gradually step further away as you get stronger. You can also switch up your stance, for example, using a split stance to further challenge your stability. Finally, we'll finish with one of my favorite exercises, the dead hang. It's as simple as it sounds. Just hang from a pull-up bar. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Dead hangs decompress your spine, open up your shoulders, and build grip strength, all essential for a healthy, functional body. Many aches and pains stem from compressed spinal discs, and this exercise helps counteract that. If a full hang feels too difficult at first, keep your toes lightly touching the floor to reduce some of the load. Over time, progress to full hangs and even active hangs by slightly pulling your shoulder blades down and back. Stick with this for a few weeks and you'll be amazed at how different your body feels. Stronger, looser, and more capable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.